Does this look familiar? A chaotic workspace, to-do lists that never seem to get shorter, and time slipping through your fingers like sand. Well, it's time to change that. Let's talk about time blocking. Time blocking is simple. It's a scheduling method where you divide your day into sections, each dedicated to a specific task. You can do it daily or on a weekly calendar. It's up to you. Just look at this transformation. On this picture, chaos reigns. But on the previous one, everything has a set time. Why? Because structure equals productivity. Now, let's bring this to life with Notion. Notion allows you to create customizable templates for your time blocks. You can add tasks, set deadlines, and even track your progress. Here's my digital weekly planner. Look how neat and organized it is. You'll never lose track of your plans again. Now that I've implemented time blocking, I'm more focused and stress-free. I actually have time to relax and enjoy my life. Imagine having your weekends free because you tackled everything during the week. Time blocking with Notion is not just about work. It's about reclaiming your time. Who's ready to try this out? Let's change our organization game together. Hit that follow button for more organization tips and tricks, and show us your time block setup using the hashtag #TimeBlockingChallenge. Let's do this together. Until next time, bye for now.